Chiefs app. So how to install it? So just tap get, and then you can just double click to install it. And yeah, then here it is. Chiefs Mobile is the official app of the Kansas City Chiefs. Chiefs Mobile keeps you connected to the Chiefs Kingdoms 365 days a year with team news, updated rosters, stats, and injury reports. Enhance your game day experience with mobile ticketing, in stadium messaging, in-app 50/50 ticket purchasing, and more. Live stream Chief games, league full game schedule, purchase tickets. So yeah, it's a must-have app if you're a fan of the team. And then yeah, you will have all the press conferences, all of the matches. You can buy tickets here. Also like parking, seasons tickets, group tickets, all those things. And then schedule, you can just buy schedule here. Then team, you can just, and then yeah, more. So that's basically the idea. Your profile, I guess you can go and create your profile, just register here. So yeah, that's basically and it just asks you to sign in from NFL ID, I guess. So that's what it is. So yep, there you have it.